Just a very quick tip today as things are starting to heat up for summer for so many people. Pay very close attention to your irrigation and to your watering, because I see a lot of people, as soon as it gets warmer, start to think that they need tons more water onto their lawns in order to keep them green or in order to keep them going, whatever you're going for. But depending on your climate, that might not be the case, and you might actually be doing more damage than good. If you live in a very dry climate that's getting hot, then definitely you're going to have to watch your irrigation in terms of possibly adding more once this extreme heat sets in. But for other people, and for a specific climate more like I have here in the Midwest, as soon as it tends to get very hot, it also tends to get more humid. You get that southern breeze coming in, and all those people down south know exactly what I'm talking about with the humidity as well. So in that case, you need to watch your irrigation closely, because adding a lot more to it in an already humid climate can cause some issues with fungus. You don't necessarily need a lot more water if your humidity has come up significantly. So how can you check for this? Well, if you do happen to have a soil probe, you can go out into your lawn and take a sample, see where that moisture is at in the ground, or also just start to watch for the wilting point of the grass. So what this means is, in between your waterings, you're going to be watching different areas of the lawn to see once they start to dry out and start to have that wilted look. This wilted look will start to look more of a blue-green color. The grass will just look dry overall. And once you hit that point, it might be in just a couple areas, you know that most likely you're going to have to hit some watering. Take note of that depending on what's going on with your weather and humidity, but just remember that just because it gets hot, if it's also getting humid, you might not need as much water as you think you do, and don't go overboard unless you want to have some other issues on your hands. That's just a quick tip today on the heat and irrigation. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.